The clients were looking to relocate back down to Hawke's Bay, looking to build a family home. There's really impressive views looking down the valley and out towards the hills. So we were pretty committed from word go to try and locate the house as close as possible to the escarpment. And then on that escarpment, we wanted to quite sort of gently locate the house as a sort of a floating roof, really, that provided all of the shelter. But besides that, it's almost entirely glass, looking out towards the view, with the more intimate functions contained within some cedar boxes that penetrate through the roof form. So when you approach the house, you're presented with this large blank brick wall, which was an intentional artifice to essentially block you from seeing the view when you first arrive, making you need to enter and then turn left before you really get to see the view in front of you. We kept the detailing with a very low tolerance detailing. All the doors are hidden, there's no architraves, there's no finishing trims anywhere, so it's a very simple composition, which means that it should all sit together a lot more simply and tranquilly as well. These materials help give you a bit more of a natural feeling with the natural timber and the natural red clay bricks and the natural concrete floor as well. It just feels a bit more settled into the landscape. In summer it's amazing. You open all these windows up, all these doors up, and you're just inside, outside, into the pool, into the lounge. It all works really nicely. Designing a rural house is quite different than designing an urban house. There's a lot more opportunities for outlook, a lot less concerns about privacy. And with some clever planning and laying out on the site, you can really make the most of the opportunities that are there.